And these are the ViVest training devices. We've got one for the X1 and one for the X3. Now, if you're doing training courses, they're brilliant for training with the ViVest units. However, you could use this for training whether the person's got a different type of brand, because although these are unique to this particular unit, the actual function of putting AD pads on is fine, so you just use one of these. Now, the trainers themselves are very good. They work through lots of different languages. There's literally a button on the front, so you can change languages over. They've got the child settings on them. It's a very small unit, it's very lightweight, so it's easy to carry with all your kit when you're teaching. As far as which one you go for, the X3's got a better display on it, slightly more expensive, but with the display does show people exactly what to do, which in a training course is actually helping with the training. So the display will go through calling emergency services and pushing down, and it'll just look at the animations on the LCD graphic. As far as training goes, they're very simple to use, easy to change the batteries. You can easily change the pads over as well, and they're quite a universal pad that sticks, and you can reactivate and just keep the pads clean with warm soapy water, and then it won't leave marks in your mannequins and things like that. So ViVest trainers, just choose which one you want. Very simple, easy to units, and ideal for any instructor.